Okay, good morning, scholars. Good morning, Room 13 families. This is Miss Silas trying out the video technology here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Woo-hoo. Quick, put on some grain if you don't have some on, or you'll get pinched. I am doing this video right now because I want to tell you about a couple of things and explain a little bit about math. So parents, this is a good time for you to tune in. And I want to make sure that what I'm sending out to you gets to you. So I'm gonna try to do this new YouTube channel. And so I hope that you can subscribe to it today. And also just know that your feedback is really helpful for me. If you can't see something, if you see ads, if anything is difficult, if you don't have the technology to watch what I'm sending you, let me know. Please let me know so that I know what's going on with people, okay? And then there's this idea of like this newsletter that my husband says is more sophisticated than my version of a newsletter, which I thought was very sophisticated because it has colors. So I guess that's not sophisticated enough. Okay, so I want to let you know that we have been talking with Miss Poole, and her instruction to us in teaching is kind of that we're not giving new content to kids. And so I'm trying to keep most of what I am giving you, at least right now, to things that the kids already know how to do. And of course, our expectation on you as families is that you will do what you can. I guess what I would say is, you know, do your best to keep up, but we know that you guys are under significant pressure. There's all of you in one house, maybe, you know, someone in your family falls sick. And if that happens, you have to attend to that first. Schoolwork, of course, comes after that. And, you know, there's a lot of strains. So we trust you. The bottom line is that there's no grading the kids based on this work. But of course, we don't want kids to lose curriculum time. So you balance that. We trust you. Send me emails. Let me know what's going on for you. Okay, so now I want to show you the math for the next couple of weeks, what you need to do. And I want to let you know that Miss Ray has offered to hold math sort of like office hours on Fridays. And so I'll let you know. I don't know how we're going to do that. If we're going to try and do that via conference call, or maybe it's just going to be over the phone. She's available to help people with math on Fridays. So, okay, so here we go. You got this packet yesterday in, let's see, it was kind of like a teal colored envelope thing, or it might have been a brown envelope. And inside that envelope is also some art paper. And kiddos, I do not want you to touch that art paper yet. I mean, you can touch it, you can look at it, but please clip it back together and put it back in there, because I'm actually going to lead you guys through some art projects. And so that would be fun. So this first thing is not math, but it is being able to log on to Typing Club, Clever, Raz Kids. All of this is through the Clever portal. And so I do want to see if you guys can get logged onto this, and if you can let me know, that would be great. I still am unsure of how many people are going to be able to access content online, and so knowing that would be very helpful to me. Okay, so in this packet is this page, which you probably didn't even see yet, but it's a little hidden, but it's a math book checklist, and this is week 1, okay? And I'll just read it to you. It says, you are not limited. Let's see. You're not limited by the pages listed below. If you finish more, then you may go on. It's a big book with lots of practice, so go for it. Ask adults for help if you need it. Remember to please set up your math pages to show your thinking and your calculations. also show your answer. For example, each student should get 10 pretzels, and I wrote right here, that's the unit. So remember, we did that from our math test, the unit. So that's super, super important to include that. All of your work should show a picture. It should show a calculation. It should show the unit. Do it well. Okay, guys? All right, so I think we have 14 pages on this side and 14 pages on this side. It means there's 28 pages in 1 week. If you divide that by 5, you have about 6 pages a day, which normally seems like a lot, but guess what? You're not doing a whole math lesson at school. So 6 pages a day, I think, is doable for most of you. You should check in with your parents about what their expectation is of you, okay? Yeah, so for example, we're starting on page 58. So we come in here to page 58. Let's see. You can see my floor down there. Is that a cool floor? I like it. We didn't choose that floor. It came with the house that way. Okay. So you have some word problems here. You have a lot of word problems. And parents, I'm just going to point out that this is a really awesome opportunity for you to kind of see where your child's thinking is with math, what they're struggling with, what they do really well with. And I know you're not teachers, and that's totally understandable, but know that when we're in the classroom, I'm teaching to 25 kids. And so when I come to check with kids, they might just have 1 or 2 minutes with me, where this is not going to be hard math for most of you parents, and you will be able to spend a little bit more time with your kids. So I do encourage you to check their work and make them go back where they miss things. When they miss something, and you think they can get it, you can just circle it and see if they can figure it out before you talk about it, okay? Yep, okay, so I think that explains what you are doing. I know there's at least one person, Akira, who does not have her math book, and I'm sorry I didn't give that to you yesterday, Cody. But it is on Stephanie Best's porch. So email me and I can give you more information. Email me or email Stephanie, okay? All right. All right. I'm gonna do another video here in a minute of a read aloud. Oh, and interactive journals today. Okay, bye guys.